Apple just completely broke its own rules for Apple CarPlay. At WWDC 2026, they unveiled iOS 27, and while we usually get minor layout tweaks, this year is different. For the first time ever, Apple is officially allowing you to stream video directly on your dashboard. Netflix, YouTube, AirPlay, it's all coming. But that is actually not the biggest upgrade.
Between a massive AI brain transplant for Siri, audio fixes we've been begging for 5 years, and a catch that means your car might not get all the features, CarPlay is about to look completely different. Let's break down everything you need to know.
Let's start with the everyday quality of life updates, because honestly, these are going to impact your daily commute the most. Apple is finally fixing the audio experience. Feature number 1, actual audio scrubbing. Up until now, if you missed a sentence in a 2-hour podcast or wanted to skip a mid-roll ad, you had to aggressively smash the skip 15 seconds button. In iOS 27, you get a full interactive timeline right on your dash. Tap, slide, and skip exactly where you want to go. It is beautiful. Second, we get persistent mini players inside apps. Think about it. Right now, if you are digging deep into a playlist menu, you lose your immediate play-pause controls unless you back all the way out. Now, a mini player stays docked while you browse. Fewer taps, less distraction.
And for everyone who uses wireless CarPlay, raise your hand if your audio randomly drops out when you drive past a specific toll booth or through a busy intersection. Yeah, me too. Apple completely overhauled the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth handoff protocol for iOS 27. They are promising fewer random disconnects, faster automatic pairing when you turn the key, and rock-solid stability in dense cities. If this actually works in the real world, it might be my favorite part of the entire update. All right, let's talk about the headline feature that everyone is buzzing about: video entertainment. Apple is completely dropping its audio-only restriction. Developers can now build native video apps optimized specifically for CarPlay displays. But even if your favorite streaming app doesn't build a custom CarPlay version right away, Apple has a backup plan: CarPlay AirPlay. You literally just pull up a video on your phone, hit AirPlay, and beam it to your car's screen. Your dashboard effectively becomes an iPad. Now, before you think people are going to be catching up on Bridgerton while moving at 120 kilometers per hour on the highway, chill. Apple's safety interlock is incredibly strict. How the safety interlock works: video playback strictly requires the vehicle to be completely stationary and the transmission to be in park. The exact millisecond your car leaves park or begins rolling, the video stream cuts out instantly.
This isn't for driving. It's a massive win for EV owners sitting at charging stations, parents waiting in school pickup lines, or anyone taking a break at a rest stop.
But here is the real plot twist. The biggest story of iOS 27 isn't actually video streaming. It's the fact that Siri just got a massive brain transplant via Apple Intelligence. On the road, Siri is transforming from a rigid command receiver into a genuine AI copilot.
Instead of needing a precise address, you can now say, "Hey Siri, navigate to that restaurant Sarah texted me about yesterday." Siri AI will scan your messages, pull the location context, and map the route seamlessly. It works with your mail, calendar, and notes too. You also don't have to speak in perfect robot sentences anymore. You can stumble, change your mind mid-sentence, and talk totally casually. You can say, "Hey Siri, take me to the office." Wait, actually, scratch that. Take me to the coffee shop right next to the office instead. The AI understands your intent, not just your keywords.
But there is a catch, and it's a big one. Siri AI requirements. Requires iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any newer device, iPhone 16, 17, 18 families. Older iPhones get standard iOS 27 features, but fall back to the legacy non-AI Siri. Because this relies on heavy on-device AI processing, older chips just can't handle it. If you've been looking for an excuse to upgrade your phone, Apple just gave you a massive one.
One more crucial detail before we talk about dates. Will your specific car actually support this? Well, it's a split story. The audio scrubbing, the mini players, and the Siri AI run entirely off your iPhone's brain. If your car supports CarPlay today, you will get those features the day you update your phone. but video streaming and AirPlay are different. Your vehicle manufacturer might need to push a head unit firmware update to support Apple's new video display protocols. Some brands will have this ready on day one, others might take months or ignore it entirely. We'll be tracking which car brands step up as testing continues.
So, when can you get it? Here is the official roadmap for the iOS 27 rollout. Developer beta, available right now, but expect bugs, heavy battery drain, and random crashes. Public beta, coming this July 2026, much more stable if you want to try it early. Final stable release, dropping in September 2026, alongside the new iPhone 18 lineup. CarPlay is finally shifting from just mirroring your phone screen to becoming an intelligent companion that actually understands what you're trying to do. What feature are you most excited for? Are you going to risk running the beta this summer? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe driving!